Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.3 question number 2. Given some line segment AB whose length you do not know, construct PQ line segment such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. Right. First of all, we draw a line segment AB. Right. Let us draw a line segment AB. Let us draw a line segment AB first. This is a line segment, and the line segment we name it as AB, right? This line, we do not the name of this, do not know the length of this line segment. This is A and this is B point, right? Now let us take another line segment, right? Let us take another line segment. Let us take another line segment. We have taken another line segment here. Let us take another line segment. We have taken another line segment. We change the color of the line, that is yellow, and we give the name of this line as L, right? We give the name of this line as L. Suppose the name of this line is L, right? Now we'll take the compass. Let us take the compass. We have taken the compass here. Now we'll measure the length of AB with the help of compass, right? The pointer at point A, and the pencil will move at point B. We'll take this pointer on point B. Now this length is fixed, right? This length is fixed. Now we take this compass without disturbing the length of this compass. We take this compass here. Here you see, we have taken at this point and draw an arc here. Since the length is fixed, right? Again, we take this compass here. This is fixed length, that is AB. Here we have taken, and if we draw another arc here, that is twice of AB, right? Here we have taken another arc. That means this value is fixed, that is AB, and this value is also fixed, that is AB. Therefore, you can name as P and Q, right? Therefore, you can write the name of this line as this is P, this point is P, and this point is Q, right? Now you see the length of this line, we can write another name here, that is O, right? That is the length of PO is equal to length of OQ, or you can say that length of PQ, that is the length of PQ, that is the length of PQ or line segment of PQ is equal to twice of AB, okay? Because we have taken the length of this AB, we have cut it here, and again we are from initial point and this is the final point. That means this length plus this length means double of AB. Therefore, we can say that length of PQ is double of AB, right? In this way, you can draw the line. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.